How to make money on Upwork as a TikTok content creator. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. And here, make sure to join as a freelancer and click on apply as a freelancer. Then you proceed to fill in the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. After that, you click on create my account. And for me, I'm going to log in. I've already created an account in the platform before. So just let me to continue with my email, password, and then login. Wait for it to get verified. And then you will proceed to creating your profile. So here, this is the last step of creating your profile. So let's go back to start from the first steps. And this is the first step. So let's get started. So here we have a question and we have 3 answers to choose one. So here make sure to choose the answer that fits your situation. After that, click on next and do the same again with this other question. Next. And for this question, I advise you to choose all of these answers. There is no harm in choosing all of them. So just choose them, then click on next to create a profile. And here you have 3 options to choose from. You either import your profile information from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume from your desktop, or you can just fill out manually. It will take less than 5 minutes. It will not even be more than 5 minutes. So I choose to fill it out manually. Click on start a new profile, and here you enter your skill, and this is not my skill. I'm a TikTok content creator. So here enter your skill and then click on next to add your previous work experience. So here you can add your previous work experience, like for example a software engineer in Microsoft in London, and you enter the start date in here and the end date and the description as well. And then you proceed to doing the same with your education history. And after that, you proceed to add the languages that you can speak and write. So as you can see in here, English is a must in the platform in order to work in it. And as you can see, all profiles include this. So here you enter your proficiency or your level in that language. So for me, I believe my English is conversational. And here you can add other languages if you can speak and write in them. So I'm going to add 2 more languages, my native language, which is Arabic, and my other language that I studied in French. I studied in school, which is French. And here you enter the level, native and basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here they've already suggested some skills for us, like content creation, academic content development, content writing, and TikTok. So let's go with all of these suggested skills. And as you can see, the maximum is 15 skills. So there is enough room for other skills. And after that, click on next to write an overview. So here you write a bio to tell the world about yourself. And this is an example of a bio. As you can see, a small text and some bullet points. So here, in order guys to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT and enter, I'm a TikTok content creator, give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you will get a very customized and a very decent bio. You will just need to add some personal information and verify the bio of yours, and then copy and paste it in here. For me, I'm going to take Marty's bio, because if I went to ChatGPT, that will make the video very long, and I think you get the idea guys of how you can take your bio from ChatGPT. So let's just proceed to the next category, next step, which is choosing the categories. So here they've already suggested some services for us, like content creating, content writing, and marketing, PR, and brand strategy. So let's choose them both and then click on next to set your rate. So here you can choose your hourly rate. Let's go with $20 per hour and then click on next to add your photo and location. So here you enter your date of birth and the address information, then you upload your photo. So just make sure, guys, to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed, so keep that in mind. And after you're done with creating your profile, I'm going to show you how you can improve that profile of yours to attract more clients. So you won't need to log out from your profile. For me, I'm just doing it to make things easier, to go back to the main page. And the strategy is like this. I'm going to enter my skill in the search box and search to see my competitors. Then I will try to find the highest earner amongst them, and then I will study his profile, see how much he's earning per hour, how much he earned in total, how is he describing his skill in his bio, and see what is working for him and try to imply that in my profile. So this one earned 40 grand, 20, more than 100 grand. So this one is one of the highest earners in the category. Let's see if we can find someone that earned more than 100 grand. Let's check the second page. I think that's the highest earner. Another one who earned more than 100 grand. So I think this one is good. Make sure to study his profile and see what is working for him and try to imply that in your profile. And here, in order to find work easily, just go to find work category, click on find work for your skills, and then in this page you're going to enter your skill in this search box and then click on search to see all of the listed jobs that are looking for someone with your skills to work with them. So just apply for the jobs and see if they're going to text you. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.